Recording has started, so you can proceed.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome all here. Thanks for the opportunity to respond. This is the wonderful time. I'm the first person hosting the session here. I think everyone use this opportunity in your trading sessions. Okay. So I will start with the basic things we all know. We all following the Msnr strategy. Okay. So we all know the Msnr strategy is called as Malaysian strategy. You know the man who is the fourth man who bring the Msnr strategy very useful. So he defined the strategy with SLK. Hope you all know that the SLK strategy, it means the structure, liquidity, and key level. This is the main thing. It brings all the Msnr very simple to understand in your trading sessions. So let me all know about today this SLK strategy, which is the simplified Msnr. This will be very useful to in your trading sessions. Hope you all understood that. Let me start with that. What is SLK? SLK means structure, liquidity, and key level. Like SLK means structure, and then liquidity, and then key level. These are all the important for the trading. When you start trading, this the three things you need to know about that. Without the three things, you cannot be successful in the trading journey. You all know that there is the structure is very important when it is come from the higher time frame. So the structure formation will be like this, like when you have a low, then high, then low, then higher high, then low, then higher high. It will be give us bullish formation. Then the same as like when it come to lower low, it is will give you bearish formation. Okay, this is the common frame for the structure. Now that the things are common days, you can understood that the key level, lot of people are using key level. Many people don't know how to use that key level. You know that the three types of key level is there. Like we have V-shaped key level, and we have A-shaped key level, and we have another open close key level. So these are the three things now people using for their entry, which is these three types of key level. Like V-shape, this one is V-shape. V-shape, this one is A-shape, and this one is called gap and open close. Okay. So how to find it? People are struggling now how to find this key level in real charts. So here I will show you, like when we are in candlestick, you can see clear key level. How to find this key level? When you go to line chart, you may understand it. This A-shape key level, and here mark this also A-shape key level, and this one is V-shape key level, the V-shape key level. When you switch to lines, you can actually find which is A-shape key level and which is V-shape key level. Like you can find there are n key levels is there. So that's the which key level we need to use. A-shape key level we need to use, which shape key level we need to use. You know that A-shape key level looks for sells. When the price started to go here, in information in this A-shape key level, we start to sell here. Okay. Like that V-shape key level, when the price come to trigger in here, when we get the confirmation, we start to buy here. So these are the types A and V-shape key level. Okay. So what A-shape key level we need to use? What V-shape key level we need to use? There is the trick in there. We cannot use all the key levels. Like when you go to 4 hour or 1 day time frame, you need to start always with the higher time frame. When the higher time frame key level is very important than lower time frame key levels. Like the same thing, you know the swing points. What is the swing points? When the price started here, it will started to go down up to here. When the price started here, it will start up to go up to here. Okay. So these are the swing points, these are all the swing points. These swing points key level are very most important key levels. Like here I mark here. Here, this is the point. The price started to rally up to here, right? This move. So this is the point, this is the swing point. And the same thing I mark here. This is another swing point. Here, another swing points. And here, another swing points. So like the swing points, key levels are most important. So when you considering key levels, which is swing points, which is from higher time frame, that is the key level which is most important than lower time frame. So always look for this swing points key level. So here I already mentioned that what is the key level is that this is V-shaped key level, right? So when the price came here and we get confirmation, we started to buy. And the same thing, this is A-shaped key level. When the price here, when we get the confirmation in that area, we look for sells. So not all key levels are important. People know which is A-shaped key level and which is V-shaped key level, and still they not succeed because they don't know which key level is important. So here I told you the swing points key levels are important. Okay. So the when price touches this key level, that is only 10% of confirmation you will get. You can see in this candlestick. So here you can see the price started to here and came up to this. It gives the rejection. You can see it will give the rejection in this area. I told you that when the price came to key level, it started to reacting. It is the only 10% of confirmation is there. So what is the another 90% of confirmation? You need to go with that flow. Like when your daily, I already told that higher time frame key level is very important. Okay. So we start with how to make the storyline. You need to start the storyline from higher time frame, which is if you're going to like a storyline. First, what you need? First, you need to mark. So you need to mark string keywords. Okay. This point you need to make. Here you need string keywords like we are making daily keywords. So daily keywords. So this is daily keyword. So this is daily keyword. When price came to here and give us reaction, like that reaction we are getting from the level, which is this. Okay. I told you this is only 10% of confirmation. So what is the balance 90% of confirmation? You need to go one time frame lower. Like this is the daily key level. Then we need to go for H4. H4 time frame. H4 time frame. It need to break this structure. The people most confusing what is breakout and what is breakout structure. When the first structure, when the first structure happening, this called breakout structure, not breakout. This is called breakout structure. Okay. When the second breakout happening, like the price reacted here, and when it happening this one, this we call as breakout. So understand that what is breakout structure and what is breakout. So this is called breakout. Okay. So when this breakout structure happens, the storyline can be confirmed. When the daily happened, and after one time frame below that, the H4 time frame, This is the H4 time frame. H4 time frame. If the structure break like this, the storyline confirm. Okay. So this is another 60%. 10% when it is reactive, 60% when it break out the structure. Okay. So 70% confirm. What is the 30%? You need to find the entry. You know, when this all happen, I will look for only two types of entries. Only two types of entries. I don't go for another. So what are the two types of entries? Here I will reveal you. So there will be, you know, the last level, the extreme level, you know, this level. This extreme level will call apex level. We call that apex. So the apex level will be the extreme level. So that will be one entry, and another one entry will be the QM level. Okay. So these two level, like apex and the apex level entry and the QM level entry. So this entry only I will look for when it is come to daily reject daily and H4 breakout. This will be the most like a successful rate. Like when you follow this apex entry or QM entry, it will give up to 80% successful rate. So when you are trading in your prop firm account, you have maintain your discipline, right? So if you risk in this apex or QM level like 0.5% or less than 1%, it will give up to you 1:10 or 1:7 or like that risk reward. So when you come to prop firm account, just follow this apex level entry and QM level entry. Okay. So this will be the first. When it is breakout structure happen, I will use only this apex and QM. So if you miss that entry and the another breakout structure will be happen like this, like breakout. So after this, the continuation trade will be start. Okay. So this continuation trade after that, we will look for gap entries. What is gap? I already told you the gap key level will be like this. This is gap or open close. It's all important like this. Okay. So when this gap is valid, when the price reacted like this and give you inducement, you all know that inducement. When inducement happen like this, you don't have any key level like A shape or V shape key level, you don't have anything, then this open close key level will be more valid one. Now here you can enter like this. When the price here can get this gap key level, you can mark below. Okay. So when it is happening breakout, we look for apex and QM level, and this when this come to continuation level, we will look for this close entries. These are the three types of entries which is I will use. This will give you more success rate. Okay. So people ask me if daily reject daily not happen. Like I show something euro USD. So here you can see this. What is key level? This is open close key level. Okay. This is post key level. So when it is important, when you have nearby liquidity. When you have nearby liquidity, then this open close key level came to very important. Okay. So OC key level has been triggered this area. Okay. So 10% will be confirmed. Now what we do, we will go for H4 structure. So this is the H4 structure. Okay. Now you need to understand that we just mark with vertical line where it is triggered in this area. Okay. Now go for line chart. You need to mark last A-shaped key level. This is the last A-shaped key level, right? This is the last A-shaped key level, which is before the price triggers. In this area, the price already triggered. Before this area, the price not triggered. So you need to mark the last A-shaped key level for your breakout. So this thing, here I will mark, this is breakout structure. Why this is breakout structure? It is the first breakout of the structure changing the direction. Okay. So we considering this as breakout structure. Okay. So this is the breakout structure. So when the price trigger here, 10% will be confirmed. When the breakout happen, another 60% will be confirmed. Now what I told you, we will look for only two entries. What are the entries? The apex level and the QM level. So where it is QM level? So this is the QM level. Okay. So this area will be the QM level. I mark this is QM level. And this last area, it is called as apex level. So this is apex level. Nothing, you don't need anything. You just go for mark all the daily key level. You need to wait for H4 breakout structure. After that, you're going to mark this QM level and the apex level. Okay. Now, what is the invalid area before the wick? Which is the wick? This is the invalid area. Now, what you're going to do? Just put your entries here. Put your entry on QM level. Put your stop loss in invalid area. Put your take profit as like the last high. That's it. So you can see that the price came to your QM level and it hit. This is 6.19 euro. So the confirmation trade will be only taken by like this only. Okay. So this is daily, reject daily. When it is come to weekly, reject weekly, the same like that, vice versa. When weekly, reject weekly happen, I already shared in this group, same like that. If this is key level is weekly key level, this is weekly key level, this is weekly key level. When price came to react here, when price came to react in this weekly key level, first of all, what do you need? You need the rejection. Okay. So when the price is rejecting, the 10% will be confirmed. Now you need to go for one time frame lower. What is daily time frame? So in same like that, in daily time frame, you need to look for the breakout structure. What is breakout structure? The first breakout after the key level triggers. Okay. So this is the breakout structure. So after breakout structure, you need to mark the QM level and the apex level. You need to go for it. Now, the most people have a doubt on this. Okay, all happens like a 4-hour breakout structure happens or whatever happens. Some people ask me a doubt. If the key level has been triggered, when you go for like this is the daily key level. If the daily key level has been triggered, when you go for 4-hour structure, the 4-hour breakout structure will be so far like so. Assume that this is higher time frame level. Okay. For example, this is daily key level. This is daily key level. When you go for lower time frame, the 4-hour last V-shaped key level is so far from daily key level. It is so far from daily key level. Now, in this situation, what we need to do? You need to go for H1 time frame. Okay. You need to use when it is so far level. Okay. Now, you go for the 1 hour structure. You go for 1 hour structure and you find for breakout. You find for breakout. Okay. When the 4 hour breakout structure is so far from daily key level, you can use it there. So like this, we can use it. How to use storyline for our entries. Okay. Don't forget that you need to wait for the key level rejection. You know that the Friday all the price go wild, very wild. Okay. Now when you go monthly time frame, all the higher time frame key level has been reached. When you go for Euro USD, GBPUSD, AUDUSD, you can see one time frame. This is monthly level. Okay. This is previous month high. So now the liquidity has been taken out. Previous month high will be taken out. Okay. Now when you go for weekly time frame, when you go for the weekly time frame, here you can see there is no key level. Do you find any key level? There is no key level because this key level has been taken out. Okay, this key level has been taken out, and then this key level has been taken out. Okay, all key level has been taken out, and now the price came to take all the liquidity. So that is previous month high. So now the previous month high will be taken out. We don't wait for any key level to react. We just go for lower time frame like daily. We just go for daily and go for line chart. You can see the low is here. So breakout structure is so far, right? We are here. We are in this level area. The breakout structure is very so far. So in this situation, what I told you, go for another lower time frame, like 4 hours. Okay. Now wait for the price. When Monday opens, wait for build the storyline to build out. Then you will get any low here. Wait for breakout. Then we will look for entries. Okay. So in Euro USD, there is no entry as of now. We need to wait for Monday to build some structure. After that, we will go for another lower time frame to find entries. Okay. So do you have any doubts in here? Let me know. You can share in a group so I can clear you that. Do you have any doubts? Desmond, can you please confirm that?
Okay.
If anyone have doubt?
Okay. I'll do that right.
Can clear that.
Okay. No for now. You can write on.
Do you have any doubt? You can ask in discussion group. So
Nobody is
we can clear that. If no doubt,
Yeah.
we can go for another.
Yeah. We can proceed. There is no question.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. So another thing, the most people still find a good entries. Still hard to find a good entries. So for all that, I will give you the simple tip. Okay. So whenever the higher time frame, gives the structure like this. Like this is open close and this is inducement. You can find your entries in this area. That's it. You don't need anything. Just go and backtest in your all chart. Whenever the formation happen, whenever the formation happen in higher time frame, you can surely put your sell limit like this, in this key level like this. You can set 20 pips stop loss here, and you can go for like this target. So this open close key level most valid one when it is come to higher time frame. There are many things. There are many examples in your live charts. I show you here. The last entries also came from this area, like this one. I told you this open close, it is most valid one when it is nearby the liquidity. And another thing, this open close, it is most valid one when it have another liquidity. So whenever you have this open close candle with liquidity, you don't wait for anything. Just go put your sell limit like this, 20 pips stop loss, go for target like 1:5, 1:6, like it move up to 100, 150 pips move. Okay. So whenever you have like this, you still find very hard to find entries. Don't do anything. Just go and watch for this higher time frame setup. Put your sell limit, put your target 1:5. That's it. It's all done. You don't go for anything. And another thing I want to tell you, like, plug and play entries. So what is plug and play entries? The plug and play entries will be like this. When you have key level like this, okay. So what is the key level? This is A-shaped key level, okay. This is A-shaped key level. So when it is broken like this, when the key level has been broken, now what we need to do, we will wait for some inducement like here. We will wait for some inducement like here, and then we can look for entries like this. Your A-shaped key level turn into V-shaped key level for buys. This is plug and play entries, which is teach from the fourth month, like very powerful one. When your A-shaped key level broken, you can look for, you can consider as here V-shaped key level and look for buys. Okay. So here I told you, here you have examples. What is the key level? What is the key level? This is V-shaped key level. It is broken here, right? So after broken here, the price, here we have the liquidity, and the price came to here. It will start to react, and it is broken by this area. We have another liquidity here. It will start to react from this. So this is plug and play entries. When your key level become invalid, you can use the same key level for your buy entries. Okay. So this is the plug and key level. So after that, I have some outlooks for next week. So I will share with you. Before that, you have any doubt, you can ask in group. Other than that, we can go for our outlooks. I have marked something. Okay. So Euro CAD. So Euro CAD, the price reacting to weekly key level. So this is the weekly key level, right? When you go for the line chart, you can find this. This is weekly key level. When you go for daily time frame, this is also key level. So already trader Desmond announcement in this group, when the key level is alignment, weekly key level and the daily key level is the same area, that is most valid one. Okay. So now the price came to react from here and close below the key level. So coming days, we will look for breakout structure and we will go for the entries. Euro CAD. Okay. So I will share all other outlooks into trader Desmond group after a few minutes in this session. Okay, so other than that, we have CAD CHF. So in CAD CHF, here we can find the weekly key level. Here you can see the structure has been broken out. The structure has been broken out, and the loss price reacted from this key level. Okay, now the price is here. So all we wait for to the price go to weekly key level. When it goes there, we will sell from that. So this is CAD CHF and CAD JPY. Okay, so in this area you can find what is the key level. This is the daily key level. Okay, when you go for the line chart, you can find this key level. So price already reacting from this area. Okay, daily reject daily happened. So when it is happened, what we go for? We will go for H4 breakout structure. So here you can see the price is reacted from this area. The 4-hour structure will be the 4-hour structure broker in here. Okay, so this will be our breakout structure. So this will be breakout structure. In coming days, we will look for like these entries. We have key level here, we have QM here. So in this area, we are waiting for this. Like when you go for daily time frame, you can find what all market here. Yeah, here you can see this is QM level, right? This is QM level. The price is already reacting from this area. You can find it, right? So after that, I will go for 4-hour structure. The structure has been broken out here. The structure has been broken out in this area. Okay, now I need to wait for the price to came here. We will look for entries, apex entries or QM entries, and we will sell from this area, this QM or this apex. Okay, so this is CAD JPY I'm waiting for, and we will go for Euro JPY. In Euro JPY, you can find when you go for the daily time frame. Here you can see what happened. The weekly key level and the daily key level has been triggered in this area. Okay, so after trigger, we will wait for H40 broken out. So here the example, I told you that this is the key level. Here we have broken out in this area, and the price came to apex level. So I told you that this is the apex level. This is the apex level. If you enter in this area, it will be the great sell. Okay, how it is happened? The price reacted from this area. We have broken the structure here. The price straight came to the apex level and it started to selling out. Right. So the first entries will be already triggered out. The second entry, when it is came to this QM level or 4-hour level, when it is happened, we will target up to this area. Okay, so this is Euro JPY. Now it is happening. Another AUDUSD. So AUDUSD, go for the monthly key level has been there. The monthly key level has been taken out. So we'll wait for lower time frame breakout structure, like daily or 4-hour break structure. When it is happened, we wait for sell entries. Like go to 4-hour, just mark that low. We'll mark this low. So when the price broken out, we will look for entries. And we will push up this low for our target. Okay, so this is Euro JPY. The coming week should be very nice week. The price all reaches the higher time frame key levels. So the coming days will be very good days. So don't miss all trades. Okay, be connected with trader Desmond. So the last one, GBPUSD. In GBPUSD, there will be the slight confusion in about the key levels. There is no perfect key levels happened. Here you can see this is the key level which has been triggered now. This key level has been triggered as of now, and I will look for H4 to break out. I need to go for 4 hour. Okay, so here you can see our H4 breakout will be this area, not this area. Don't mark out any wrong area. This is not breakout because the price only triggered this area. So before that, the latest key level will be this. So the price when break the structure, it remains bullish. If the price doesn't break that high, we will go to taken out this low. So this will be I'm monitoring GBPUSD. So you know that now this key level has been triggered and it is selling out right now. So Monday, the price make any lower low, it going to take up to this lower level. Okay, so these are the outlooks. It is what is we look for the Monday. So this is from my side. Do you have any doubts? You can ask from that. So trader Desmond, you can continue now.
Okay. Thank you so much. Oh wow, this is really massive. I've really gained a whole lot from all you have said so far and from your teachings as well. And I believe everyone here have gained one or two from what you just shared with us right now. Someone.
Yeah, always our DMR open. So whenever you have a doubt, 1 minute please. When you have any doubt, you can ask in group. You can mention me and you can mention Trader Desma. So we always here to help you. We always here to find your entries. So we always win together. We always earn together. So please connect it with all our members. Okay.
All right. Someone asked a question, and the person says, "What determines when to use an apex level or QM as entry?"
So when the H4 structure breaken out, so that is the main thing why the apex level and QM level are very important. The price came from higher time frame direction, not from lower time frame direction. You can see that this is daily key level. The price came from this level. So here the price remained bullish. When it is reacted from this level, you need to find any strong level, the gap entries and the in-between entries, the FEG. So these entries are not important more than apex or QM level entries. The QM level and the apex level will be the very important entries when the breakout structure has been happen out. If the breakout structure doesn't happen out, the apex or QM entries is not valid. When the breakout structure happens, the apex or QM will be the valid one.
All right. So VG, hope you are clear with the answer, right? Hope you are clear. Okay. I believe he's still active and he listened to your response.
Please help us because we could not understand some of this English.
Yeah. If you don't really understand anything, I think you should just ask your question. And I swear, okay. I understand very, very well. Okay, now, like I'll give space for question and answer again. So concerning what he has shared so far, if you have any question towards it, you can ask your question. He's still active, and why I'm still active here. We will try our possible best to give response to everything you get. So please, I think I'm having a little issue right now. I'll go out of the stream right now, then I will join later. So please, you guys should just give me a little time. But meanwhile, if you have a question, just raise up your hand, and I'll give you mic while you keep talking, while I go off the stream. So I'm seeing one hand up already, Godwin. So Godwin, please, sir, can you hear? Can you hear? Come again with us? Okay. Godwin, I've given you mic. You can ask your question. If you want to ask question, just raise up your hand. You can see a place that says speak. Once I see your hands up, I will give you mic. Then you can speak. So Godwin, if you are ready, you can speak. Okay, Godwin is not ready to speak. Who else want to speak? If you want to speak, just click on that mic, and I will give you mic to speak. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. We don't have much time here. Then we can proceed to the next one. Okay, Beast 1-1. I'm giving you a mic, please. Yeah, we are listening to you. You can speak. We are all listening to you. Please don't request for mic if you don't want to speak. Please don't request for mic. Only request for mic when you are ready to speak, please. So since no one is speaking, or maybe some persons are shy to talk on live, so what will happen is that if you have any question, you can equally join our discussion community, whereby you can join other traders in sharing your outlooks or sharing your trade idea. As well, you can interact with other traders. You can learn from them, and they can as well learn from what you are sharing in the community or in the discussion community. Meanwhile, I'll be sharing the link to the discussion community right now in the general group, so that those who are yet to join, they can equally join, so that you won't miss out, because we are doing a whole lot of stuff here. Sometimes I don't share my trades on the main channel, but I do share it there. So please, okay, I'm seeing someone raising up his hand. The Moscow trader, please be fast. Ask your question or speak. I've given you mic.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. I'm listening to you.
Sir, I wanted to know, like, Mr. Fazi was mentioning some group where we can ask the doubts and all. Like, can you share the link of that group?
Yeah, I'll share it.
Group, discussion group.
Yeah, I'm sharing. I'm sharing the link.
That.
I'm sharing the link now. Yeah, I'm sharing the link now.
And also, do you have some private channel or something like a paid group?
No,
we don't have any paid group. Yeah, we have only public group. You can share here. You can share that group. There will be share many ideas here, many entries here. You can learn from that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So we don't have any paid group. We don't have VIP. Everything we are doing here is for free. So this is our channel for free, and we share every trade here. Yeah.
Yeah. Could you like share that link of that group?
Yeah, sure. I've done that. You can check. You can check.
Oh, thank you, sir. I got it.
Yeah. So is there anyone with any question again? Please hurry up. We don't want to take much time here. Any question? All right, I'm listening to you. You're welcome.
This is more like a request. So
okay.
The steps you mentioned, I don't know if you can like make a list of the step from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. That when you follow one, the next one, and the next, and then you can make a list. You can follow you from buy to entries.
Yeah, I will share that in discussion group. So what key level you need to look for, what entries you need to look for. Like I will make a table like that. If you look for the daily key level, you will find the entries in H4. If you go for weekly key level, you find the key levels in daily time frame. So I will prepare any table for that, and I will share in this discussion group very soon. Okay. So you can understand that what key level you need to use for your bias, what key level you need to use for your entries. So I will share within a few minutes before tomorrow. Okay, no problem.
Mr. Fazi, I have another question.
Yeah, sure. Ask me.
Like you mentioned, like a strategy or a level where where it is a OHLC in the level, and also there's a liquidity,
Yeah,
and then that OHLC level just above or the below the liquidity will be a very strong one. We can trade with the 20 pip stop loss. Like
yeah.
what time frame should I
Open close keylevel. In
work
higher
with
time
it?
frame, in daily time frame, it will be very useful, and that 4 hour time frame too. So always go for the higher time frame, which is daily. You don't look for anything. You just go for mark your open close key level in higher time frame like daily. When you have nearby liquidity, you just set your sell limit there or buy limit there. You just put your stop loss there, 20 pips, and you can target up to 100 pips or 140 pips, like 1:4 or 1:5. That will be very helpful. I will share many examples in few minutes how the trade will be taken out, like this open close key level. I will share some charts for your reference so you can clearly understand from that. No problem there. Okay.
Also, like which pair does it work the most and the best?
All pair, like major pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and AUD USD. All pairs it is work with that. There is no strategy for certain pair. The strategy work in all pairs like Forex, like crypto, and whatever the like synthetics you are trading with all instrument, it will work out. Okay. You want the most confirmation level, more value level, you go for the major pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and the gold and the Nasdaq. So this will be the most important thing. Go for a most volatile pair like this, major pairs.
Thank you, sir.
I have up to 50 examples only using this particular entry. I will share you 50 short examples now within over 10 or 15 minutes. I will share you 50 examples without anything. You just put your sell limit or buy limit only with this open close entries when you have the nearby liquidity. That will be the very efficient. You will
Like
get
all,
like a monthly 5 or 6 times the entry will be given, but that is very accurate.
so also it should be aligned with the bias, right?
Yeah, you should be aligned with that.
Or can we take counter trade also with that level?
No, it will be only the bias confirmation. Like I will share with you, no problem. I will share with you in the group when it will be taken, when it will be valid, when it will be not valid. I will tell you in
Okay.
the discussion group.
Okay, thank you.
All right,
So other
guys.
than that, do you have any
Uh,
doubts?
okay, I'm seeing someone raising up his hand. Let me give him mic to speak. Okay,
Yeah,
Vij,
sure.
I've given you mic to speak. Please speak. Yeah, you can speak now.
Good evening, Mr. Faso,
Yeah.
and
Yeah. Welcome.
thank you for all you do, and also Trader Desmond. Thank you very much. My
Thank you.
question still pertains to where to place an entry, either at the PEX or the QMR level. What
Yeah,
determines
you have
you
certain. Yeah, I can
mentioned
understand your question. Yeah, let me answer that.
okay,
You have two levels. Okay, so the apex level and the QM level. So the most people have confusion that what level I can use for my entries, apex level or QM level, which is important, where I have give most confirmation to that level. So there will be the more confusion in that. When you have nearby liquidity in your QM level, you can take QM level entry. When you have liquidity in your apex level, you can take apex level entry. And other than that, the trading sessions will be the most important one. The most people still they don't know about the session. What time the Asia session will be start? What time the London session will be start? What time the New York session will be start? They don't know the importance of these sessions. The guys, I told you, the sessions are very important. The volatility came from the session only, London and the New York. When you go for the pairs like GBP, JPY, Euro, JPY, the ASIO session will be the important one. And when you go for Euro USD, GBP, USD, the London or the New York session will be the very important. You have a liquidity in liquidity nearby the QM level. Okay, now the London session open, so you don't wait for anything. You can put your entry in QM level, put your stop loss in above that invalid area. You can go for the entries. So this is the confidence. What is you use for? Because you have many levels, right? Now the one member asked a doubt. We have two levels. We have apex level and we have QM level. Which level I need to concentrate? Which level I can put my sell limit? When you have a confusion like that, you need to use more confidence. When you have liquidity, when the session opens, which is the key level nearby that. Okay, so this is the confidence you need to use for put your correct entry. Hope you understand. Yeah, gold nowadays, there is no level. Actually, I need to show that there is no level gold. It is booming like this. There is no level. So the one thing, when you have nothing key level, the gold doesn't have any daily key level, any weekly key level, right? It is pushing higher to higher. So in this situation, where you look for it, you will look for like this. Now the daily will be started like this, right? The daily closes like this. Now the Monday, the price started to fall down like this. The new key level has been created. So this key level has been created. After the Monday open, the price will be fall down. This is new key level. Okay. So after the key level created, we will look for the price to react from this. We will look for H4 breakout structure and go for entries, and we will move like that. So this is the only one thing we can expect from gold as of now. We will look for the market to open. After that, we will look for the structure to form. After that, we will find entries. No problem.
Okay,
guys.
please. All right,
Let's
please.
yeah.
Just the last,
Yeah, sure.
just the last question. Then we can call it a day, please. So the last person to ask a question will be okay, Alex. Please, you are the last person. After your question, then okay. You say you cannot see your screen. Okay. There's no issue. He's done. He's done with that. You guys, no worry. He will be sending everything he has explained so far on his charts, like the outlook he shared with you guys. Everything will be watching out on. He will share it on the channel because I'll give him access to share it on the channel so everybody can go through it. So I think for the week we'll be working with his own outlook because for this week I'll be so focused on crypto pairs. Yeah, like I told you guys, I'll be sharing some stuff with you guys regarding crypto, which I'm so focused on crypto right now. So we'll be working with Fazi outlook for the week, and he'll be sharing us with every trade he'll be taking. Yeah, I've seen his trades. His trades are 100. He's very, very good at what he does. So you guys shouldn't worry about that. So you guys were saying you're not seeing the screen. This is what he was showing. Please, Fazi, we are running out of time. We need to we need to stop at any time, please. We are really running out of time. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. We will share all the recording in the group. So make sure you will watch it again for your confusion. You will have any doubt, please mention in our group. Okay. So we are always ready to help you. No issues in that.
Yeah.
So we can end our session. So have a nice day all.
So you guys
bring more wins, less stop losses. Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for making our time to be here today. And I believe you're enjoying and you have gained a whole lot of stuff from the live stream. Likewise, we'll be hosting more live stream whereby we'll be guiding you guys on how to go about your trading journey and how we can assist you in any way we can. And do it to make sure you stay tuned to the channel because we'll be sharing more awesome updates with you guys. Like I told you guys earlier in the week that I have a crypto update which I'll be sharing with you guys. And in fact, I've been on crypto throughout last week to this week. So there's a whole lot of stuff coming up and I would equally want every one of you to benefit from it. And mind you, we are not doing anything for paid here. Like I told you guys, nothing for paid. Everything we are doing here are for free. No VIP, no signal channel, no nothing. Everything we are doing here are for paid. The only thing we are doing which we ask for pay is just mentorship, because we don't want to do mentorship for free, because people will take it for granted. You understand? So everything we are doing here is for free. So guys, that is it. So we'll be ending the live session right now. Do well to stick around, and let's see how we make money in the coming week. So see you guys. Thanks for sticking.